In this hyperactive world of 24/7 connectedness that we are a part of, it is absolutely essential for us to meditate if we value our inner peace, our stability, and the connection we have with our own feelings. You see, from the moment you wake up in the morning, your attention is drawn outwards, your energy is drawn outwards into the world of activity and into the world of stimulus. Because from the moment you wake up, there are all of these messages coming at you, all the stimulus coming to eat up your energy and your attention. It could be your family member speaking to you. It could be your emails pinging every time a new one comes in. It could be your phone messaging you or telling you with an alarm whenever a single notification comes in. We are living in a world of stimulus and we are overwhelmed. We are living in a world of noise and we are losing touch with our inner voice. And this is the number one reason why we need to meditate. Because when we don't have that center inside us, when we don't have a strong foundation, when we are not in touch with our own selves, we will get overwhelmed by all the noise, by all the stimulus coming at us. When we don't know how to separate the two, we will sink. And what we need to do is we need to learn how to swim, and meditation is the way. My name is Vikas Malkani. I'm known as the world's #1 wisdom coach. I'm a teacher of meditation and mindfulness, and I've taught that for the last 25 years to people just like yourself, but also people who are CEOs, business leaders, entrepreneurs, Hollywood celebrities, royalty, and anyone who wants to have a better experience of life, because meditation is the way to your optimal life. Now, there's a lot of misconceptions about meditation, and I'm actually here to tell you very honestly that I believe most of the world, the majority of the world that meditates the wrong way. Let me give you the truth. Meditation is not hard to do. When you learn it the right way, meditation is very easy to do. Meditation doesn't take half an hour or 45 minutes or 1 hour of time like you go to a gym or you go for a run. You can meditate in small bits, 5 minutes at a time, 3 minutes at a time, and you will start to see the benefit by yourself. Meditation doesn't need you to shut off the rest of the world. It doesn't tell you that you cannot eat, you cannot drink, you cannot enjoy your life. Meditation simply says you must make time every day to meditate for a few minutes. Meditation is almost like honey that you put into your food and it sweetens the whole food. I have taught meditation to thousands of people around the world. I've written a best-selling book on meditation. Let me teach you how to meditate the right way. If you're a beginner, you should start with the Meditation for Beginners program, which is available for you online. I teach you 5 simple techniques that you can start to practice to train your mind, to bring you inner stability, to keep you connected with your inner voice, and to keep you protected from the outer noise. When we start to meditate, we have greater focus. Your attention is in your control, so therefore you can put attention wherever you want. Therefore, your performance goes up. Your results are elevated and improved. Meditation is not for withdrawing from the world. In fact, meditation is for mastering the world, and it's as simple as taking out 5 minutes a day. So if you can take out 5 minutes a day to invest in making your life better, Meditation for Beginners is the place to start. When you click on the button below, it'll take you to my page where you'll see all the details of the program. And then I suggest, I advise you, I implore you, I urge you to take a step forward to make your life better. From ancient times, the masters have told us, the masters of life, the masters of results have told us that you have one life. And it's your responsibility to make it a masterpiece. And the only way we can do that is when we are in touch with ourselves, when we can listen to our inner voice, and when we can protect ourselves from all this outer noise. And meditation is the way to start. Meditation is an ancient science. I will show it to you in a very simple, structured, and systematic manner. Meditation is not hocus pocus mumbo jumbo. You don't need to close your eyes and visualize lights or speak to certain external entities. Nothing of that sort. It is very scientific. It has been proven scientifically in thousands of studies that have been conducted around the world. And I will make it very, very simple for you. So when you start, you will start to see benefits from the first day. If you practice correctly, as I teach you, just 5 minutes a day will start to give you the benefits. And as it becomes a part of your life, you will begin to enjoy it so much that you won't want to stop it. It will become a daily practice. Just like you brush your teeth, just like you eat your food, just like you take a shower every day, you will want to meditate every day, even for just 5 minutes. And the 5 techniques that I show you are going to start your journey to a better life. A life that is a brighter life, a life that is a bigger life. Because meditation has the power to make your life bigger, better, and brighter in all aspects. Your relationships will benefit, your emotional stability will become stronger, and even the results you produce at home, at work, in your business are going to be elevated. There is no reason not to meditate. The masters meditate, champions meditate, business leaders meditate, presidents of countries meditate, the billionaires meditate, and now it's your turn. Let's get you started. Click on the link, check out the details that I offer you, and take a step forward and let me walk with you towards your better life. Thank you.